Hazel. I don't know what she's doing. Hazel. Come on, girl. Hazel. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Hazel. Good girl. Stay there, lock. That's the lock right there. Good girl, Hazel. Be friends. Play nice. Good girl, Hazel. Good girl, Hazel. Okay, come on. We're making sure that there's no chickens left outside, and we have to protect life, even if it costs us our own. It's the whole point of why I exist, to preserve life. Yerushalayim, 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 Yerushalayim. Hazel, Hazel, come on. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop recording. You're beautiful. Thank you for your company and your slobber. What was that? What was that? Okay.